Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics, here with brand new universal headlights from Heise LED. The HE-5X7 and the HE-4X6. Both of these kits come with two different color options, one being black and the other one being silver. They're both also constructed out of die-cast aluminum with a polycarbonate lens and have an IP67 rating. Both the 4x6 and 5x7 have a 6500K LED color. Difference in them being is that the 5x7 has 17 5-watt LEDs, and at low beam has 2400 lumens, and at high beam has 3500 lumens. Now with the 4x6, you get 18 3-watt LEDs, and the low beam at 2400 lumens, and the high beam being at 3500 lumens. For any more information on this product, you can visit HeiseLED.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.